would never do it. It's me against.
Mama, you greet you. Oh, okay, guys. Okay, guys. Hello. If you do, boys. Hellfire. Hellfire. Oh, Hellfire. What's your fire?
Hellfire will kill you there. That's all you're saying, idiot. You're very stupid. Are you mad? Are you mad? I'm asking you. You're greeting me. You're calling me mama. Instead of you to call me madam, you're calling me mama. Hey, mama, are you okay? Nonsense. Did you even go to primary school? I'm not fear. My friend, will you shut up? What are you saying? Violence. What is violence? You are singing. You better keep quiet because I don't want to hear your voice again. I don't want to hear you sing in this compound again. Nonsense. Yeah, go and check who is there.
Who be that? Who be that?
Move! You're saying we do it. What is wrong with you? I'm not fear.
Who got you? Who got you? So is this true?
It is true. Yes, it is true. What will you do? It is true. What will you do? I'm asking you, what will you do? I am in my daughter's house. It is true. What will you do?
You have got to destroy my daughter's marriage?
Yes.
I will so kill you that nobody will know.
You cannot do anything, Gomba. You cannot do anything.
Hey.
Yes, you cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything.
You cannot do anything.
Death.
You cannot do anything.
Welcome, death. Death, welcome here.
Papa, can you stop?
Mirabel, let me kill her.
Where did you come? Stop, Papa.
I'm just coming. This witch has come to destroy your marriage.
Papa, wait. I will sort things out, please.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Gomba, I am coming back for you. Don't worry.
Can you hear her?
Please, I beg you in the name of God.
What do you mean?
She has come to destroy your marriage.
She will not.
I will not let her do it.
Trust me, I will sort things out. It's okay. It's okay. I don't want anything to happen to you. It's okay, please. You. That way.
My bag is inside the bed.
Yeah? Go get them. Go on, before they can leave. Go.
I can still accept her. I have rejected her, and I will not forgive her.
She's dangerous.
I would never do it. It's me.
Hey! This girl has finished me. This girl has killed me. Nana! So it's true. Eh? You are 2 weeks pregnant. You say what? You're 2 weeks pregnant, Nana. How? Eh? What do you mean you don't know what I'm talking about? My friend, come, I will slap you. Come here. Come here, my friend. Stand here. Why are you being like a fool? You're 2 weeks pregnant. You're 2 weeks pregnant. Who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Brother.
Who is responsible? My friend, who is responsible? You're looking at me. Are you mad? You're pregnant. So you'll be sleeping around in this village. Who is responsible? Who is responsible? Wait. Let me hear you again. You say it's who? Eloka. Which of the Eloka? Which of the Eloka? Huh?
Hey, Jesus.
Eloka.
Brother, please. I don't like this. Why would you do that? I honestly do not like the way you spoke to my father.
Well, it deserves whichever way I spoke to him.
Really?
How can he bring war all the way from the village down to my house? Why?
What exactly are you saying? You know what happened. You called for this and you deserve anything that happened.
Really?
Yes!
And you listen to me. I will not tolerate any insensible act from anyone under my roof again. And I'm very sure you heard what I said about your mother. She's not leaving until I decide. So you go tell your father to disarm himself of any evil plan he has, because it's not going to work.
Which mother are you talking about?
I just made my point, Claire.
Your point is not taken. Your point is not taken. You don't do that. Hey, wait.
Bye.
Hey, Luka. What are you doing here, Luka? Get out of our house. Hey, Luka, get out!
Take it easy now. I came to tell you that I love you. Ever since we did that thing together, I can't stop thinking of you. And I keep my eyes on you.
No, Luka. Ever since you raped me, Luka. Hey, Luka, ever since you raped me.
Bring down your voice. I did not whip you now. Which one is ever since I raped you? Your eyes were open when we were doing it, and you were even enjoying it.
No.
You were shouting, hey, Luka, give me more.
No.
Hey, Luka, give me more.
You know you lying, Luka. You're lying. Not we. Because I wasn't myself. I couldn't defend myself. And everyone knows I hated you for that. And my God will truly punish you for what you did to me, Luka.
It does not go so for cause now. Thinking I was you. But you were enjoying it.
I'll never be well with you. Just leave.
Sorry.
Leave.
See, this time.
Get out.
This time I promise I will take it easy. This time
Get out. My God will punish you. My God will punish you for taking advantage of me, Luka.
But you enjoyed it that day.
My God will punish you. My God will punish you. Shall never be well with you for taking advantage of me. My God will punish you.
Don't leave my guys. They go.
Man, no pay.
They go. Pay waiting. My person now. We will see later now.
I will.
The bill. Normally. Say you find be a Yahoo boy from village.
Isn't it?
Okay. What is it?
Isn't it?
What is it?
That boy you gave that big bag of stuffed food, did he pay you?
I don't understand. What kind of stupid question is this? Why are you asking me? Eh?
I'm asking because I didn't see him pay you. Did he?
Hey, look at this old woman. Oh. You will not face your front and go where you're going to. How is it your business whether he paid or he did not pay? What's it concern you for here? Eh?
And now, that money that you're putting inside your bra, what is it for?
It's for minding your business, old witch. It's for minding your business. How is it your... Which kind of problem be this? So when I come to market now, I will not be avoiding you. Eh? As my mother or as what? See me see local wahala.
Yesterday you have finished your mommy. Eh? Look at her shop. Her shop is coming down every day. Onada. Nada po. Iripo negi nwame ezinne.
Make I dey close. Market no dey. Make I begin dey close abeg.
Close what?
If you come out for here, I go throw you slap. They don't try a zine for village. I go throw you slap. You know say if my mama mate, I go throw you slap.
You want to close your mother's shop by after 1 in the afternoon? Eh?
Bad market.
Hey!
Bad market.
Hey! You go to eat off.
Come out for here, come out for here. Try no sense with this one. I go wound you. I go post muscle for your head though.
Your mother will hear this.
Wow.
My daughter is okay. Everything will be fine.
It is not okay because I am not happy. I am an unhappy woman. I am not happy. Listen, I'm not shouting at you, but I need you to talk to my husband to tell her to leave my house. I don't want her in my house. Yes, if she remains there, my marriage will crumble. And I don't need that. She has never been useful to me. Does she want to start being useful to me now? No, I don't need her.
My daughter, please, your marriage will not crumble. God forbid. But know that she is still your mother.
Oh my goodness. Why don't you want to understand me? Listen, I am the one wearing these shoes and I know where it pinches. I don't need anything from that woman. I don't need to wake up and see her face. I don't. I am tired of seeing her face each time I wake up in my home. She's making my home quite uncomfortable for me. She needs to go.
I know. It's okay. I'll talk to your husband, okay? But please be happy. Eh?
She needs to leave. She's not my mother. When it was time for her to play her motherly duties, where was she? Did she do that? No, she didn't. Now you're telling me that she's my mother. She's not. You're the only mother I know. The only mother I see. The only mother I will not ever joke with. You've done a lot for me.
It's okay.
And we can't wait to have you in the house again.
It's okay. I'll come back to the house. But please be happy, okay? How is my grandchild doing?
She's fine. She misses you.
I know. Don't worry. I'll come and face it. Hmm?
I can't wait to see you again at
okay.
home. Oh, before I leave, I bought some things for you. I bought a lot of provisions for you to stock up your shop.
Provisions for my shop?
Yes, it's in the boots. Let's
Hi! Oh, name, man. Oh.
Baby. Bobo.
Baby.
Baby love.
Baby, boy.
Am I heavy?
No, you're not happy.
I love you, die.
Wait, so no use because of saying they enjoy something, come down and talk.
See, the last time I handle her, she tell me say, na only me dey satisfy her, and say she no go do again for 3 months. Wait, as I dey talk to you so, my illiterate self don stand up.
Guy, calm down. Now my love be this. Don't they talk that side. Now my man baby. You sabi na. My man baby be this.
You sabi na. You sabi na.
I know how to show.
You sabi na.
Oh yeah, you come wash plate. Come wash plate. That side fella. Now my love be this.
You sabi na.
Papa. Papa, what are you doing here now? You say they go on the chat today now. You say they go on the chat.
In my own matrimonial room, on my bed. You wait at me, Gunisi. Huh? I thought it's a 12 goals I'm going to Onisha. It's a, oh my God. So it has come to this level. Eh? So this girl drink, she smoke, and the funny girl, not just with one boy, but 2 boys. In my room, under my nose. As in the why now? Why? I can't take it. I thought this girl is a virgin. Every day she will be speaking in tongue like water running through stone. Eh? I won't take it. I'll kill this girl.
Can I have my money? You kept me here. You're not doing anything. You're spoiling my business for me. Oh. I came here to enjoy. You're not doing anything. Now you're telling me to go. Oga, are you giving me my money or not?
My friend, can't you see that I'm annoyed? Huh?
You say you're not in the mood. Oga, are you giving me the money or not? You must give me my money, oh. Because if I will not stay here, you will spoil my market for me. I have many people to attend to. Oga, give me my money, let me go. If you are not doing, you give me the money, let me go. Because I will not go empty-handed.
Look at this dog, baby. Is it by force? Is it by force?
Oga, you must give me my money. Oga, you will give me my money. You will do it by force or by fire.
By what?
Oga, you must do it, oh.
It's like you don't have sense. You see a person.
I have many customers. You go give me my money.
Yes, not
Oga, you will give me my money.
Look, this, you see that your hand. If you touch me, I will slap you.
I will shout, though.
Go and sit down.
I don't want to hear that story. Give me
Don't
my
point
money.
my
Oga, give me my money. Let me go. Give me the money. Let me go.
run, eh? But you can never hide. You can only run, but you can never hide. I must get you. I swear to God, Eloka, I must get you. You think it's by running? You think it's by running? You want to joke with me this time? You want to joke with me? Isn't there? Isn't there? Where's that girl? Isn't there? Isn't there? Oh, you're running away, Okwaya? Eh? You're running away. You are running away, Okwaya. It is a running something. Talk to your daughter. Where's that man? Talk to your daughter. Isn't there? Isn't there? Where's your daughter? Where is your useless daughter? Tell her that I said anywhere I see her, I will divide her into pieces. I'm not joking. I am not joking. This is the last warning. Warn your daughter, isn't there? Tell her that Obinna said that wherever I see her, I will kill her. It's a promise. It's not a threat. It's a promise. Not just she, but Eloka as well. Talk to her. Where's that man? Where are you? You are hiding. You are hiding. Keep on hiding. Keep hiding. Let me see your daughter with my eyes again. Let me see your useless daughter again. I will deal with you. Animal.
Hey, my food. Eh? The person who went out since morning, and I'm hungry. I want to come and eat. Look at what has been done to my food. Eh? Isn't it? What have you done with Eloka? Eh? Hey, look at my food. Look at. Eh? Isn't it? Look at. Look at. Look at. Eh?
I'm ready for you now. Come outside.
I will kill you today.
Come outside. Right here. Come outside.
I will kill you today.
Plus, if you know you're a man, I will pound you and I will serve you. I will pound you and I will serve you. Just come outside. Yes. If you touch my grandchild, you don't get your evil hand. I will continue to carry that my granddaughter, whether you like it or not. If you like, go and hug transformer. I will carry her from now until she grows up. Do you hear me? Are you mad? Are you mad? From where?
My mama is Abakaleke Squad.
Look at Abakaleke Squad. Do you have a birth certificate?
My birth certificate is Abakaleke. I'm born and bred up Abakaleke Park.
Can't get ambulance because somebody will be buried today. We carry to the mortuary.
Only Westfire. Only Westfire. That be from my organized ambulance. Only see, wait up. Police one here. We are with them. And that's a mirror certificate. And that's a mirror statement to what?
Shut up.
No, wait. No,
shut up. I want to aim my head.
No.
You are disturbing me.
Go behind me. Let me. I will pound you.
No.
I will pound you.
No, boys.
Get close. I will hit you. I will hit you if you try it.
I need some mirror statement to what? I need some mirror statement.
Okay, if I don't kill you today, I will not rest.
Come on, we don't fight, sir. Come on, boys.
I'm waiting for you.
Hold
it very well. Now, sir. Now, sir. Hold it very well.
I need to hold it.
You know the hold.
No, wait.
Let me keep. Open my cross.
No, boys.
Cross.
No, boys, sir.
Open my cross.
No, boys. What? Leave this place.
Yeah, don't run away. Don't run away. You are the one who hit him.
Just hit him.
You hit him. You are the one.
It is you that
You are the one who hit him.
Look at.
You
You carry this one and knock his head. No one.
Why did it happen?
Oh, you carry him
You
now.
were the person who
Carry him.
Go back. You are saying that that person want to fight.
Carry him.
You are going nowhere. You are going nowhere. You have killed somebody.
You're a useless man.
You are a useless woman. You are a witch. You are a witch. You will not scatter my daughter's marriage. You will not scatter my daughter's marriage. Listen up, Papa, Mama. I cannot have two unfriendly, immature enemies under my roof at the same time. It has to stop now. Okay? It has to stop today. Now, on that note, Papa. Here. This is a thank you for all the time you've been here. Okay? Thank you for coming. I truly appreciate it. But right now, you have to leave and go back to the village. Okay? I'm done. I can't have this happening in my house before you to kill someone here.
Here. You're on your way. Go. Going. Gone. You are going. You are going. On your way. Off you go.
Mama, I was talking to both of you. Okay? So here is your own money.
Don't just bother yourself. I don't carry cash. I don't carry cash. I'm a movable bank. I work alone with my number, my account number. I will give you my account number so that you put times 4 of what you have dropped there. Because when I was coming, I brought fish. Also, I brought also.
It's alright, Mama. Call your account.
Good. 2222. Good. 444. Yes, 12. Bam.
Look, it hasn't gotten to that. Look, you're a man. We can dialogue.
What are you dialoguing? What are you dialoguing? Pick the money and go. That is what it's saying.
Mama, I just sent you 500,000. I need you to leave my house today. Today, please.
500. 500. Well, God will bless you. What did you say? Were you not the person who knocked that young man with wood? Yeah, you didn't do what? You're now, what are you? Father Moses, or what are you? Hey, that is enough. It's enough, and for you too. It's okay. Every time I leave my house. Can I say, Papa, I'm on my way. What is it? What is it? What is it? I will not even rest. Leave my house. I came from Mumbai. You want me to go? I'm going. Let me go and do my
Why there's so much hate, Oh God, chicken leaf.
Come here. I am taking you to this place. Hey, if you run, I will resist you. Get up. I said get up. I will flog this people. Get up. You are very stupid. You are useless. In fact, I have disowned you. So after everything I did for you, all my efforts, I trained you in school. I suffered to make you somebody. The only thing you could pay me back is with this nonsense thing. Get up.
Eloka. So Eloka, you deceived me. Eloka, I trusted you. You deceived me. You tricked me. And slept with my sister. What did I do to you? What did I ever do to you, Eloka? Hey! My old friend. My old so-called best friend. I will never forgive you. Mba. Eloka, I will never forgive you. Any day I see you with my 2 eyes, Makachuku Eloka, I will kill you. Any day I see you with my 2 eyes, Eloka, I will kill you. I swear. Subadro. Subadro.
Mirabelle. Mirabelle!
Don't talk to me.
Mirabelle! I'm talking to you, Mirabelle.
What is it? What is it?
Listen to me. One more disrespect from you, and I swear I will forget that you are my wife.
Oh, really? So this is it? So this is it? You don't even care about me. You don't even care the fact that I'm your wife. No, my opinion doesn't count. You disrespect me so much, I mean absolutely nothing to you. And you open your mouth to say you're my husband? No, I don't think so. I do not think so.
Why are you fueling and burning furnace?
How do you mean?
Your mother left you and your father when you were still a child. And now she knows better than asking for forgiveness. Why are you finding it so hard to let it go?
Oh, really? So she said that to you and you believe it? So she has been the one inculcating your head with the usual story of a broken home and you're good with that? You don't even care about what I say or how I am feeling. Listen, you make me feel real bad. You have broken my soul! And I tell you something, I regret ever being baited. I regret ever being part of that woman. She's nothing but a beast. A beast!
Well, you are the only beast I can see right now.
Sorry?
Yes. Because you have refused to let go of this past that's haunting your innocent soul.
How dare you call me a beast? How dare you? How dare you call me a beast? How dare you call me a beast?
Hey.
Don't stay away from me! Stay away!
I didn't mean to call you. I'm sorry. Okay? I swear to God, I'm sorry.
I cannot explain it.
How long have you been here?
Since yesterday.
Yesterday? I thought I locked my door. And then how come you did not tell me that you are pregnant? Just little thing that I did, just one panyo, and you are pregnant. How come did the pregnancy came? Your brother almost killed me. He was chasing me with machete for just one small thing.
I never knew I was pregnant, Eluka. Just look at what you've done to me. My lovely brothers disowned me because of you, Eluka. You ruined my life finally, Eluka.
This is one thing that I don't like. How did I get here safe? See, let me just say, I'm not ready for marriage. I'm not ready to marry anybody. Look at, I've not made money. I'll not father a child. What will I be giving to the child now? You check it out now. Look at where I'm staying. I'm trying to plan my life to focus and then see how I can make money. Maybe when I make money, I can come and marry you. But now, no way.
Hey, Luka. You said what?
I'm just trying to tell you.
You must marry me! You must marry me! What can I say? You ruined my life! You made my brother to disown me, Eluka! Eluka must marry me! You must marry me!
Wait now, wait.
Wait what? Wait what, Eluka? You ruined my education! My friend! My lovely brother! Disown me because of you, Eluka!
What do you mean you're on? I don't understand. Please, I'm busy with my phone.
I mean, I want my wife. I want to make love to my wife.
Who is your wife? Myself or that woman that you allowed into this house? I'm not your wife. For now, I am not. If you want satisfaction, go and meet her. Let her be the one to satisfy you.
Come on, babe. Don't talk like this. Why would you say a thing like that?
Why won't I say a thing like that? No, tell me. I don't even understand you. Do you think I'm a fool? I'm not asking for too much. Even the Bible says that a man and a woman shall come together and become one, right? A stranger walks in here and says something to my husband and that stands. While my own is watered. I don't get it. Babes, I know you've got plans, but you see that plans of yours, it will never ever work. Not while I'm alive.
Okay, darling, can you just give me some time? Give me some time. I'm sure this will work.
Give you some time to do what?
To fix things.
What do you want to fix? Let me tell you something. So long as that woman sleeps under my roof, I have withdrawn all my wifely duties. Giving you food, sleeping on the same bed with you. Never will I.
Hey, come. Babe. Where the hell are you going to now? You can't just leave me like this, please.
I am going to my daughter's room.
Babe. Oh, God. Babe, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Can you just stop this for God's sake?
What am I doing? Should stop what? What do you want me to stop? Listen, I'm not going to stop anything. That woman must leave my house. If she doesn't, I am not stepping an inch.
Babe, why are you doing this to me? Huh? Why?
What am I doing?
Alright, let's go upstairs and talk.
Go upstairs and do what? I am not going anywhere with you until that woman, that witch of a woman, leaves this house.
Don't you get it? Babe, don't you get it?
Guess what?
Your husband is honey.
Huh?
I want you, darling. I
Oh my God. My husband is honey.
Hey.
What? You're honey? No. Baby, I don't think so. A man who is honey will do everything it takes. When I mean everything the wife says, just to quench his urge. But you're not yet honey. So carry your property. You go upstairs. Leave me the heck alone.
Babe, can you do that again?
Do what again?
What you just did?
It's sweet you, Abby.
Please.
I'm not going to do one.
Please, babe.
They go upstairs.
Babe.
Hey, what? I should do what again? Say, hey, what? Hey, don't. Hey, you can't do that. You cannot do that.
Babe, don't do this to me. I'm your husband.
You want to rape me? Do you want to rape me?
Let's go inside.
Go where? Hey, stop it, don't rape me. Hey.
So, what's the problem? I mean, your marriage is barely a year and all these fragments are coming out already. That's really horrible, sir.
Very horrible. Very, very horrible. My home has become too hot for me. I mean, I live with two demons. My father-in-law and my mother-in-law. They have made my home unbearable for me.
I'm really sorry about that.
Take it. Get me some aspirin, please. I'm having severe headache.
I'll do that, sir. But just in case your home is too hot for you, mine is way cool and peaceful. Sorry, sir. I'll go get you yours.
Okay, just imagine, now we are writing WAEC. You are in the house.
Amaka, it's okay. It's okay.
It's well. It is well.
Nena, sorry. I know it's not right with you, but it's going to be well, okay?
I hope so.
I'm happy you've learnt your lesson in a bitter way though. But next time, you know the kind of company you keep.
You know what, Chinoye? I never saw this coming. I never saw this coming at all.
I know. Take it easy on yourself. Oh, what about the father?
That one? He ran.
Huh?
He ran.
He ran. Like, he ran away and left you alone in that house?
Yes, sir. I'm the only one in that house.
Men can be wicked.
Very wicked.
But why don't you go and beg your brother? You can't be there all alone. You can't.
And you think I've not done that?
You did?
Yes, I've sent people. I sent our principal, even our pastor. He still refused. He said he's going to kill me.
Are you serious?
Yeah. This is too painful. Eh? This is too painful. You must be going through a lot.
Can't just imagine the kind of pain I'm going through.
It's okay. Don't cry, Nina. Please. If you cry, you're going to make me cry. Please. Take it easy on yourself. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're going through all this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
They shout my name like that.
I'm the one shouting your name.
Let's see happen. Why they shout my name?
Hope you're not happy, Abi. You're not happy.
Let's see
You've
happen.
succeeded in ruining your friend's life. She's no longer coming to school. Shebi, you're happy.
See this one, you dey craze. Abi, you smoke weed.
You are such a terrible friend, Ezine. You are terrible. Extremely terrible. Do you know she has been jealous of Nina? That because she's a decent girl, she has been so jealous of her. That was why she lured her to a man. You are such an evil girl. I hate you. You detest me.
Wait, am I dreaming?
You are not dreaming. You are not dreaming, Ezine. You know I never liked you.
Who you like?
From day one, I never liked you. That's why we don't click.
Ah! Get away, you dear.
My darling, calm down. Stop arguing with this thing. Someone that her mother left her husband because of money and followed another man. Now she wants to come back and reap for where she never saw. What an ungrateful and foolish family.
Now my family. Now my family.
If you dare lay your hands on me again, if you dare lay that filthy hands on me again, I will deal with you. Leave me alone. I will deal with you. I will show you who I am in this village.
Look at this
The
rat.
rat of there is Chineye, me. The rat of there is Chineye.
Look at this
I will deal with you.
Hey.
I will reduce you in this
Wait
village.
for me, I'm coming.
Who are you?
Let me go home and
I'm
come back. If
waiting
you
for
know
you
you
here.
are a woman,
I am waiting
stay
for
here.
you here.
I
Who
am-
are you?
I
Your
don't
family is ungrateful. I am waiting for you, Esine. You can do nothing. Rubbish, can leave me alone. Leave me alone. I hate nonsense. I don't know, and I'm ready for her.
You know Ezine, you know the way she acts crazy.
How is it my business?
Let's go.
You know Ezine, do you know me? Do you know Chineye? I also act crazy, so leave me alone. Enough of all this. Enough. I can't take it anymore.
This palm wine. If there is anything, any chemical they can add to drive away this fly, I would recommend let them put it. Not every time I'm fighting for my drink with flies. Yes. This life has no duplicate. It's good for one to enjoy at least once in a while. Go to your quarter. You won't allow me to enjoy myself. Gochi, what is it? Look, let me tell you. Don't, in fact, if you dare leave that mansion, I'll kill you. Yes. Don't go anywhere. Remain there. Yes, I said remain there and fight for your right. Collect all the money. Collect the money. Collect them and send to me. Collect money. We need more and more. You know Mirabelle is your daughter. And they should pay for the 9-month gestation period of her birth. And indeed every other damages. Collect the money, all of them. Look, very important. Don't live there without collecting the money. Yes. Hey! Hey! Come here! Onyara! Losing the break. If you kill somebody there, you go in for it. Don't mention my name as your father. I've warned you.
Let's go. I'm telling you now. Let's be. I tell you, I'm waiting for you. Yes.
Now me you want try, Abi. Now me I say you want try. I go tell you today. Now your eye you know that what. Now your eye you know that what. Now your eye you know that what to do. You're sorry, Abi. You're sorry. I will show you.
Please. Somebody help us!
This whole thing is really taking a toll on you. Look at you, brother. You look a mess.
I'm about to lose my sanity, bro. I swear to God. They won't leave my house. I just don't know what to do.
Okay, so what if you and your wife leave the house for them? I mean, take your family on a vacation or something. You know, trust me, they will get to settle themselves amicably.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
By burning down my house? Worst advice ever. Those old folks are going to raise down my building. I swear to God.
Whoa. This is way serious than I thought.
The problem now is my wife thinks I'm taking sides. No. I just want peace to reign. That's all.
You know, I smell reconciliation someday. You know what they say? After war comes peace.
Trust me this time. We're far from reconciliation. This war has no end.
Be positive. It's gonna be fine. It's okay, man. Drink up. It's gonna be fine.
Get her! Hey, go this way. Go after her. Make sure you get that girl. Go that way, my friend. Bring her out now. Bring her out. Oh, you find her. Settle for what? Take her away. Settle what in the bush? Settle what in the bush? Look at her hair like bush.
I
Slap that girl, slap her.
Shut up.
Take her straight. Straight. You guys are joking with me in this village. I will show you that I'm better than you all.
So, you're beginning to keep late nights. What's the problem, sir? And you're getting drunk almost all night.
Well, that's because my home has become unbearable for me. I would have opted for a hotel, but my wife will accuse me of cheating. So right now, I choose this place because I've found solace in my office.
I'm really sorry about that, sir. But sir, just in case you need my help, I'll be so glad to help you.
Well, thank you very much for that. I truly appreciate it. Just turn the light off on your way out, please.
Alright, sir. I'll do just that.
And what are you doing here? I thought you knew.
It's still my room. Our matrimonial room. So I have every right to come in whenever I want.
Well, she agreed to leave.
Great. Nice. So when exactly is she leaving? What time is she going?
Right away. As a matter of fact, I'm dropping her off at the park.
Oh. Honey, you know, it's not like I really want to have issues with you or fight with you always. Just
save it. Alright? Has it been long you came?
That's quite fun.
Alright. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem. So, were you able to see her off to the park?
Oh yes, I took her to the park, paid her transit fare and took her for work.
Did you watch her leave?
Oh shit.
What is it?
I think I made a mistake. I mean, I didn't watch her leave. I only paid for the transit and... Oh.
They're small. I only hope she travels on that bus. That way your wife can have the peace of mind she's been craving for.
I hope same too.
But on the second thought, why don't you call Father Chris? Tell him about this. Because I think there is a lot your wife is yet to tell you about my mother.
You think that's necessary?
Of course. Call him. At least pull him in the room.
Very well then, I'll put a call through. Good day, Reverend. Yes, I am calling in respect of my father-in-law and his ex-wife. Yes, they've been separated for the past 27 years. And since I got married to their daughter, I thought it wise to bring them back together. As a matter of fact, I brought them back under the same roof. My house. As I speak to you, they're about to break my home. So I thought I should let you know about this and see if you can come into this case and try to know what the problem is between them. And then we'll find a way to sort things out. Thank you. Thank you very much, Father. Well, thank you very much, Father, for this. I truly appreciate it. Thank you.
So,
We promise to interfere.
good. Now that's the right thing to do.
I hope so, my friend. So, what's your schedule for the evening?
Brother, please. Brother, please forgive me. Remember, I'm your only sister. I have nowhere else to go to. Brother, please. Please look at me now. Please now. Please, brother, it's me, Zine, please. Please now. Brother, please forgive me. I will never do it again. Please. Please. Brother, please. Please, I'm begging you, please. Brother, please forgive me.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I have forgiven you. I have forgiven you. Get up. Sorry. It's okay. Sit. It's okay. I have forgiven you. All right. Stop crying. Stop crying.
Brother, I lost the baby out of shock.
I know. I know. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. You see that girl? Eh? That useless girl. I must deal with her. It's a promise. I must arrest her. I must detain her for attempted murder. I must deal with that girl. There are no two ways about it.
I'm happy that Chinonya is alive. That girl is very wicked.
I know, it's okay.
Brother, I've really missed you. I promise I will never lie or disobey you again.
It's okay.
I cannot
Papa! Papa, hurry up, we're late. Oh my emoji. Papa! Papa, where are you now?
Okay.
What is
Soldier,
it?
soldier, come. Soldier, go. Soldier, come. Okay. Why this time? Why this time, Oga? Are you the place? You the place? Are you mad?
What's going on here? I dropped you at the park this morning, so why are you here?
Yes. I lost the money that you gave to me.
No, you can't lose the money I gave to you. I put the money in the account you gave to me.
Whatever. I have come to...
You go nowhere. Because you cannot continue to scam my in-law. You cannot continue to extort money from him. Never.
Ugamba.
You go nowhere. Mama, what's the meaning of this?
We know how we used to do it.
What is the meaning of this, Mama?
Ugamba, leave the road.
You go nowhere.
Ugamba, leave there.
You go nowhere.
Eh? Ugamba, leave the road. Ugamba, leave the road.
Mama, can you stop this?
Ugamba,
Can you two stop this?
I will help you now. Ugamba,
No way.
Ugamba, I will blow you from back.
Stop them.
Ugamba, I'm going to blow you from back.
I said stop. Will you separate them? Are you mad?
You don't do
them.
Mama, stop.
Somebody next to you. You're not going anywhere.
Can you stop? Ugamba, I want to pass. Mama, let him give way. Mama, forward. Mama, come and wait. Mama, forward.
Hey.
Forward, Mama. You don't tell your boy every time. Every time. You're buying. You're buying. I'm come back. Mama, come and wait. Every time. You worry your God for you.
One boy. I'm going to do my wife. Now what you make for they pay me. Oh boy, check what you want to do. I go come out. Baba, the one never please.
Dada.
Okorom.
Take it. This is the 250,000 naira which you asked me to give to you. It's a demonstration of love. Use it for that food stop business you were telling me about. Okay?
Thank you. You're so sweet, darling. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, not just like that. Use it judiciously. My wife just gave it to me.
I'm going to use it wisely.
That's
right. Okoro, before I forget, how about your daughter? How is the case going?
I'm just looking for a lawyer, and at the same time looking for money to pay the lawyer.
The case is serious.
Of course it's serious. The girl, she nearly killed a girl. Huh? She nearly killed a girl. In short, I don't want to talk about it now. It's going to destroy, spoil every joy which you have given me today.
It's okay. I understand. I'm sorry. Come, let me massage you. Because you look stressed out. Come.
That's what you should have done all this while. Yeah.
I know you like it.
See, I can imagine what should be happening right now in Gumba's in-law's house with that switch.
My husband, my own is that I will not stop praying for the family until peace reigns in that family. I will not stop.
I doubt.
Why do you say so?
Mirabel is bittered. A girl who was almost killed with her father.
Nai, I don't want to remember that ugly day. I don't even want to go there. Please don't remind me of that.
And it's going to be difficult for her to forgive you. To be difficult.
What will happen is, I will not stop praying. I'll keep praying for them. I know God can do something. Peace must be restored back to that family. I know what God can do.
It's okay. Let's hope so.
Nai.
Yes.
Take now.
No. This time will give me running stomach. I don't take this now.
I know your own is Ogogoro and Tombo.
You can call it anything.
Don't worry, let me be taking this one. This one is good for me.
Better.
You see, it is quite glaring that my husband is protecting that witch.
Yes, but why did you stop me from telling your husband who she is and what she did to us in the past?
No, Papa, you shouldn't tell him anything at all. We should hold this secret very tight and firm.
But it's affecting your marriage. I'm no longer finding it funny. It could take drastic decision that could affect your marriage.
No, Papa. I know my husband very well. I know he would do everything possible to talk you into this. Be strong for me. Don't ever let him make you say anything at all. Don't tell him anything that Mama has done to me. Be rigid like the father I've always known over the years. Because I know my husband. If he finds out the problem between us, he would do everything possible to reunite us. And you know, I don't want that. Because I had already taken an oath at the goddess of Ume that I would never have anything whatsoever to do with that woman. And you know the consequences.
The stone goddess? You mean you went to their shrine to exchange your heart?
Yes, Papa, I did. I exchanged my heart with the stone of hatred. I did that after what happened at the market. I was so hot. And if I do not stick to that, I would die, Papa. And eventually, if something happens to me, my daughter inherits the hatred.
You went too far. You went too far. You know the implication of this.
Yes, anger made me go too far. Yes, I went too far. I did because I was angry. And trust me, I do not regret any bit of it. I don't. Listen, that woman really hurt us. So let's do this together, Papa. Help me out. Next week, I'll be resuming work. I do not want her to come any inch close to my child. Let her not carry her. Let her not feed her. I don't want her to cook for me. Let her not go close to my kitchen. I'm trying everything possible not to have any contact with her at this point.
Is your husband aware of this?
My husband is not aware of this, and that's why I'm telling you. This is the reason I cannot be able to forgive that woman. Please, Papa, you really have to help me on this so that I don't want to lose my life. I need to be alive to sort this out. The oath.
It's me against my mother. My mother. It's me against my mother. I will never saved her. It's me against my mother. My mother.
Yeah! Whoa! Ogumba! Ogumba! So you are now a watchman. You see? You see how you have belittled yourself. You are now washing clothes in your own daughter's house. Hey! You see how your daughter has belittled you? Have you seen it? Hey!
Ugochi.
Ogumba.
Where is it written that taking care of a baby is a woman's work? Come. I will do anything to protect my grandchild from you.
Look at you. You will do everything to protect your grandchild. Washing clothes is protecting your grandchild. Don't worry. You will do it. And you have to be very fast. Because you know soon they'll be coming back from work. Do you understand me? And by that time they'll be very, very tired. Me too, I'll be very tired. We'll all be very hungry. Yeah. Get ready to go and prepare food. So that we eat. Don't let us wait.
When are you leaving this house?
When
are you leaving my daughter's house for crying out loud?
What did you just say? Leaving where? To where? I have come to stay. I have come to stay. I am not going anywhere. So you just keep dreaming. Dream without sleeping. You know? Washama. Hey, bia. Put soap. You want to squeeze it like that? Be very careful. I don't want my baby's clothes to smell. Hey!
I will not relent. She must leave this house.
Hello, sir.
Please, I am sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so ashamed of myself. Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I promise, I'm born again now. I have repented. Please.
What did you say?
I'm a changed person.
You're born again.
I swear.
You're a changed person.
Yes, sir.
Eloka that I know very well. Eloka, I trusted you. You are my best friend. I shared everything with you like my brother.
I trusted you. And now you're saying that you're a changed person. You're a Christian. This was the same attitude, the same display, the same drama you did the first time you committed. And now you're back with this Christian style to beg me again.
This time is real. I'm a changed person. Please, I beg of you. I didn't know what came over me. I didn't know how the devil used me, but...
Every time the devil, I don't even know why you people keep mentioning the poor innocent devil. Whereas you know what you're doing. You have a conscience. Do you know what my sister went through? Eh? Do you know what my sister went through? Do you know what she is even going through as we speak? Eh? She almost died. She almost lost her life because of you. Eloka, I trusted you. I told you to take care of my sister. And you impregnated her. What kind of a friend are you?
This is the devil's work, please. Please.
I guess you're happy now. Eh? You're happy. You're here to confirm if she is dead.
No.
Yes, you're here to confirm if she is dead, finally. So that you'll be happy. My mother is gone. My father, gone. My sister and I are the only surviving ones. And you want my sister dead.
No. How can I want her dead? Eh? Like I said, I only came to apologize. I know it's not possible. I am sorry, please. Find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm a changed person now. You know what you and I have gone through together. The devil just wants to put us apart.
Eloka.
I'm sorry, Biko.
Eloka.
Biko, no. Biko, my friend. Please, I am sorry. Biko.
It's okay. It's okay. See, to err is human and to forgive is divine.
Thank you.
I have forgiven you. Get up. Blood for life. Sit. Hey, look, I'm
so sorry.
It's okay. I've heard you. And you've promised me that you will never do this.
It will never happen again. I swear. Makachi, I swear.
And you're also promising me that you protect my sister at all costs.
It's my blood this time.
It's okay now. I'm not the devil, okay? I have forgiven you. What do you like to take? Let me get you some. I have drink inside. Stout, beer.
No, I don't want to drink. I just came to apologize. And then know how she is.
She is fine. You came to apologize to me, right? And I have forgiven you. So let us marry. Eh? Let us drink and forget about these things.
So, but I was not thirsty. Just that I wanted to just say I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
No
Alright, I'm coming. Huh? You want to eat anything else?
No. I'm okay with drink.
Just drink. Alright, let me get it done.
Thank you.
You do me bad thing.
I'm sorry.
You do me bad thing. What's the bad thing?
Open a condo! Open a condo! Open a condo! Come back here again! Come back here again, idiot!
You're sorry. You're sorry for your useless self, animal. You're very lucky I didn't see my machete. Eh? You are very lucky I didn't see my machete. You would have been a bad man, a dead man by now. Animal. You're sorry. Born again Christian, my foot. Come back here again and let me see you. Animal. But don't worry.
Gochi, what I'm saying, I need more money. Send me money, more of it. Eh? Yes, the one you sent has finished. I need, look, I'm not joking with you. I'm not joking with you. I need money. Okay, if you want me to give an account on phone, I use some money to bribe the police before they even allow me to give food to your daughter. As in, and not only that, we need more money to hire a good lawyer. Otherwise, she will go to jail. Okay, apart from that, you know there's this proverb that whoever is blowing trumpet is cleaning his nostril. I equally need some money to judge a little bit now, like we are joining there. Do you understand?
Bia. You are going to forget about all this enjoyment because this house is not CBN.
Look, I hope you are still sticking to our plan. So, I don't know what you are talking to me at all. Okay. Let me regard it as you are cracking joke as usual. But very important, don't allow Ugumba to touch you. Any part of even see you underwears. Otherwise, you will see me there by force. And that is where we will fight the Third World War.
Rapogodi, that man, forget him, he's a baby papa.
I'm serious. So whether you are laughing or not, don't allow him to touch you.
He is not a topic to discuss. Just leave him. He's our housemaid. So don't go there. Just leave him alone. Okoro, don't shout in my ear. Don't be shouting. I'm explaining something to you. I'm shouting. Why are you shouting? Money. Always, Okoro.
Why there's so much hate, oh? Oh God, chicken defy Merekio. Why there's so much hate? Why the hate?
Go to that chemist by the T junction. Go and buy me tetracycline. What did I say?
What?
Go to that pharmacy by the T junction. Not the one by the other side where Ugumba used to go and buy a drug. He's a broke man. He does not have money. Chichi doesn't have. Kobo. So go to the one by the T junction and buy me tetracycline. Why are you crying? What did I say you should go and buy? Hey, is it gonna call it again?
Tetracycline, please.
You are mad. You are mad. Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with you. Tetracycline. You are an idiot. No problem. If you like, you buy tetracycline or tetracycline or bicycline. Go to that chemist by the T doctor. Don't go to where Ugumba is buying a drug. You see, Ugumba is a very poor man. He's broke. Don't go there. Go to the T junction own and buy me drugs now, quick.
Where are you going?
Oh, which madam? Has your mother come back from work?
Yeah, I know my own my dice. I won't wind up for my dice. Oh yeah.
Go and continue your washing of the car.
Come back here! You want to put my money inside your pocket? Hey, mama? Go and buy me the drug. Oh yeah? What's it so?
If you leave this compound, don't come back. Else, I will arrest you.
Oh.
So better.
Oh, well, I arrest me. I went there, why do you now? Why do I arrest you? Because that's what I want message for. That's a one message for my day. Say I arrest me for Oga. Police, you know my problem. I need to be police for. Don't arrest me, Oga.
Hey! Get back.
I don't want one time. I want one time. He's never going to confuse me.
You have made him mad. When I finish with you, I'll fetch you. Follow this side to your father's house. Follow this side. You are confused, okay? You are... Move. Move. You don't want to move.
Is this your own decision? Or maybe misunderstanding? I'm very confused.
You have killed him. You have killed this one. It's no energetic boy.
I can't
You have killed him. Yeah.
that you turned your back on your
How did you go? Go nowhere. You will not go anywhere. Come back here. Go back in there. If you pass back here, I will block you.
Why there's so much hate, oh? Oh God, you can define Merekio. Why there's so much hate? Why the hate?
Mirabel! Mirabel,
Yeah.
what's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? I don't get it.
How can you tender a resignation letter to the church, stating that you can no longer hold any position in the church or even attend masses without my consent? Mirabel, why?
Is that why you're this hyper? How does it affect you?
Because you are my wife. I wedded you. I paid every damn thing on your head.
Oh, really?
Yes,
So now you just realized that I'm your wife, right? When you barely care about me these days. Well, the thing is, me not deciding to do anything in the church or run any errands for any goddamn person is my business and not yours, husband.
You're not only stubborn, you've just been possessed. And you need deliverance. Alright? You need to be delivered.
I am not possessed. I do not need any deliverance. The only thing you need to do is to give your wife attention. Let my opinion count. Now, it's that witch. Everything now is about that witch. You have given that witch the right to decide things in this house and it happens. Go ahead. But let me tell you something, my husband. This house will never be cool for you and I. It's going to be Iran and Iraq. I don't want to talk too much, but whatever it is you want me to do, I would never do. I will be a disrespectful wife until you change, until you give me my right in this house as your wife. Have you heard me?
I can see where all of this is going. But you know what?
Hmm.
It's either you do my biddings in this house or you wait to see the other side of me very soon. You will see the other side of me very soon.
I know see the
nonsense.
other side of you.
How can
There
you
is
do such a thing without my
no
consent?
other side. There is no other side to be seen.
Desmond, this is seriously getting out of hand. I mean, why would your wife opt out of church activities and abandon her position? Come on.
Bro, seriously, my wife is fighting me with her all right now. Can you imagine my wife had to part herself just so I don't touch her?
What? This is really bad.
Very bad, bro. She knew I was going to freak out when she stops church activities in the house. So she did. Just so I freak out.
I can imagine, bro. But I tell you what, I would not have a wife who will not follow me down to church. That aside, how far are those guys you travel to visit?
Ah, forget about those ones. They are worse. Trust me. But the thing now is, I just pray you don't experience what I'm experiencing in my home. You can imagine a marriage counselor like me who teach people how to love themselves, live together as one, is going through this in my home. It's unheard of, bro. Trust me. Unheard of.
I feel you, bro. I feel your pain big time. But I want to assure you one thing for real. Very soon, all this will be over. Everything will be fine.
I hope so. I really hope so.
I cannot
This is not a clubhouse.
Uncle Basa! What is that? How dare you?
Is this a clubhouse?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
You don't know you are not a woman? Your life is finished? You are dancing now?
Something must be wrong with you. Something must be very, very wrong with you. How dare you? How dare you stop the music that I'm dancing to? Enough, Koala. Are you okay?
Put it on and I will beat the living daylight
I
out of
will
you.
put it on and there's nothing you can do, Kumba.
Dare me.
I should dare you. Okay, fall out. Oh, Kumba, come out, let's do it. Bring it on, I'm very ready. Bring it on. I'm waiting for you.
Are you sure?
I'm waiting for you.
Are you sure you want to?
Yes, I am very sure. I'm waiting.
And you are running away.
Who is running?
Are you
This
sure?
out of balance when you want to blow it. Come, because I will give you one hand, left, oh yeah, now. Come on. Hey, you can't do that. Oh, come on. Yeah, come on, stop. Hey, come on. That's it, yo. Ukumba, that's it. I will carry you from bottom.
This woman.
Remove your hand.
This woman.
Ukumba, remove your hand.
This woman.
Ukumba, remove
In
your
fact,
hand.
I want to go to jail. I will kill you right now.
You will not kill me.
I want to go to jail.
You can't.
I'm tired of all this.
You cannot kill me. Ukumba, hey.
Yay! Look at the latest married Ashawo that was sent back from Lagos for going to reap where she did not sow. Hi! No!
At least I am better than some illiterates that have not been to the city before. Yes, I've been there. Have you been there? Osu, outcast.
Nkechi, Ikporomo Osu?
Agnes, did you call me Ashawo?
Hey, Mungo Osu. Ome.
Okwagi, you started it. You called me Ashawo. You called me Ashawo.
So you escaped from prison?
Yes, now. Why I no go escape?
Hi. No, now. Eh? Are you mad? Are you alright?
Wait, though. Papa, you won't make I die there. Look at the small food that you were bringing for me. Papa, the food you were bringing for me was too small. I had to escape. Oh. I had to escape for my life. I don't want to die there.
So how did you manage to escape?
Papa, you get one police wey dey there. The man was just eyeing me. Me, I can't understand the meaning of the eye when they eye me. I can't call the police, so I say, guy, we go fit run and we'll get the thing together. Papa, as we can't get the thing together, the man come tell me, say, make I run far away from this village for my own sake. So I am here for you to give me the address where Mama is, so that I'll go and meet her. Papa, and also transportation, because you know that Lagos is very far.
Hi. You rugged them. They rugged you. What did you... With what did you rugged?
Papa, leave all these many talk where they talk. Leave all these many talk. Give me the address. Let me go. Papa, if the moment we are here, they will come here and catch us. So the police will come here and catch me.
It's now I know that I have a thief. Yes, a thief as daughter.
Papa, go and bring the address. Let me go. I'm going to Lagos this night. I have to leave this village this night. Tonight. If these police people come here, they will catch me and you.
You are the one they will catch. You rugged them and they rugged. Did you see me when you people were ruggeding? Whatever rugged means. Eh?
Come and give me address. Let me be going. Let me go and hide somewhere. When night covers, I run. I go to Lagos.
You better go there. I don't want you to bring trouble for me. I wasn't there when you were ruggeding.
Papa, bring the address now. Papa, bring the address so that I will go to Lagos. Hey, Papa, I have to go to Lagos this night. I'm not going back to that cell.
Don't get. Mirabelle, you've gone to something else. Why won't you make food for your husband?
What do you mean? What about my co-wife? Are you done enjoying her meal?
Mirabelle, she's your mother for crying out loud.
Oh, please.
Stop it.
Please, spare me that. Which mother are you talking about? You think I do not know that you're having a secret affair with her? You then lied to me that you were taking her to the market. You carried her out of this house. You think I don't know what's going on? You think you can play me for a fool, right?
It's clear you've totally lost it.
No, you are the one who has completely lost it.
You've lost it, Mirabelle. Now get out of my way.
You are not going anywhere.
I said get out of my way.
I said you are not going anywhere. Where are you going? You want to go meet her? Where are you going?
I told you, let's leave this house and leave them here. So we can stay somewhere else, but you refused. And now you are accusing me?
I'm accusing you because my intuition never lies to me. Oga, you know they go anywhere.
Get out of my way now.
Bros, I said you know they go anywhere.
Mirabelle, I said get out of my way.
You're not going anywhere.
Have you gone mad?
Yeah, I've gone crazy.
Mirabelle, get out of my way now. I need to leave.
You want to crush me? Crush me!
All right. Don't
You ain't drop me!
I have rejected her, and I will not forgive her. I will never do it.
My daughter, how can you accuse your husband of anything like that?
But Papa, I'm not wrong. If my husband is not having an immoral affair with her, why is he always supporting her? Supporting a woman he knows full well that I hate so much with my heart. Why? Instead of me, his wife. He keeps doing that. When I talk, mine doesn't matter. It's always about her, all the time.
Mbano.
I won't take it again. No.
Listen, you see, I know where your husband is heading.
Where?
He's striving for peace to reign.
There is no peace here, Papa. There is no peace. He's not headed anywhere. This woman in question is the cause of a lot in my life. Can't you see that she's treading on my happiness? And my husband is allowing that to happen.
It's all right. It's all right. I will not relent. I am solidly behind you.
Mm-hmm.
But one thing, you must not overstep your boundaries.
But I am not. I am not overstepping my boundaries. I'm just doing the right thing. Let him queue with me.
Your husband remains your husband. And he's the man of the house.
And so? He shouldn't care about his wife, how I feel? Eh?
Just give him the chance to be.
He should also give me the chance to be happy in this house because this home also belongs to me. Listen, Papa, I do not want to experience what you experienced in the hands of that wicked woman. No! I would never! We all need to be guided.
I know you are. Oh.
And I will not forgive her. I will never do it. It's me against my mother. My mother. It's me against my mother. I will never save.
Wumba.
It hurts me so badly to speak to you kindly. But I must not relent because of the marriage of my daughter. Why did you leave your husband to come here to destroy the marriage of my daughter?
Onye ife na-ewe iwe ya biko wegbuo ya. Ọsụkwasu nwakpi ya biko sugbo ya. Selense.
You left our lives many years ago after unforgettable humiliations, torture, and scars of pain. Oh God, what are you doing here again? Why have you returned to bring back those years of pains, those years of anguish? What has my daughter done to you? What are you doing here? Please, just tell me, what are you doing here?
Ejiri ngongwo, ejiri ngongwo. Ejiri ngongwo, ejiri ngongwo. Ekwe, ekwe mbadoga, ekwe, ya. Ekwe, ekwe, ya. Where you going? Ekwe. Come and stay and ask me questions, don't go. Come and stay. I am in my own daughter's house, performing my duty as a very good mother. You came, you added. You are coming here to speak English. You are singing. You are singing. You have not started Ugumba. You have not started. You have not seen anything at all. You have not even seen anything. You are giving up. Hey, I see, Sasha. We are just climbing the stairs now. When we get there, we will know.
I would never do it. It's me against my mother. My mother. It's me against my mother. I would never.
Oh my God. I am scared. I am scared to call your name. I am scared to pray. My heart is crushed into pieces. I am drowning in bitterness. How can I ever forget? If I forgive, how can I ever forget the humiliation? The humiliation in the market, the stigma, the names my peers called me. How can I forget? How? My home is now a dump for war. No orderliness, weeping morning, afternoon, and night. No, it's high time I left. I need to leave. It is time for me to leave this house. My husband is now a shadow of himself. He's now claiming to be seeking for peace, while evil prevails over his head.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Till tomorrow.
I see you tomorrow.
It's late. Good night.
Please be careful.
Okay, good night.
I don't want to lose you. Hi.
money is good. Ah. No wonder the Bible says that money answereth all things. This Agnes is wonderful in the other room. Tomorrow. Hi.
And then now,
Yes, brother.
I called you here because Mazi Carlo was here earlier today. He came to tell me that Eloka sent him a message. And also, Eloka told him that he wants to marry you. And as we speak right now, Eloka is in Dubai. Yes. I even listened to the voice note Eloka was sending, and with the voice and everything, his intentions are genuine. So, I told Mazi Carlo that I am not Nena. And the only reason I am not in good times with Eloka is because of his character, what he did to you. You understand? Aside that, he's a wonderful person. But I told Mazi Carlo that I will talk to you and then I will get back to him. You understand? So now I want to ask you, and I want you to, don't be under pressure in telling me the answer. Say it as it is in your heart. If it's no, it's no. If it's yes, it's yes. I will not force you. Do you really love Eloka? And is it the kind of person you would want to spend the rest of your life with? You can still take your time to think about it if you want.
Brother, you know Eloka is a nice person.
Mm-hmm.
Despite the evil things he did to me. But let me ask you, will you be happy if Eloka gets married to me?
If I will be happy? Eloka is not getting married to me. It is you. And your happiness is my happiness. If you will be happy in the marriage, I will be happy. But if you say no, why not? I cannot force you. So you have the answer to this question. Will you be happy in the marriage? Will you be happy to spend the rest of your life with him? The ball is in your court.
Brother.
Like I said, you have to be plain, okay? I am not forcing you to say what you don't want to say. So tell me.
Yes, I'll marry him.
Okay. You will marry him. So Badro, I will pass the message across to Mazi Carlo. Good.
Dorothy, are you okay?
By the time I am done dealing with you today, you will leave Okoro for me.
Oh, Okoro? Because of Okoro?
Yes.
Let me ask you again. What do you say you are doing here?
Okoro, I came to find out why you are cheating on me.
Oh, is that why you have been fighting? In the public? Then you cheat back now.
Eh?
Yes, you cheat back. After all, I have been seeing you with other men. Did I ask you a question? I mean, you are not my wife. You have no right to determine who I see and who I do not see.
But I stopped seeing other men.
Fine. You have every right to stop. But allow me to continue from where you stopped. I repeat, I'm not your husband. You are not my wife. If you continue this way, I will not give you any money again.
Baby, I'm sorry. Please, it will not happen again. I'm sorry.
You better be instead of all
this thing doing here? What is this man doing here? What are you doing here? Eh?
You call me a mad woman.
Get out! What is it?
Did you just push me?
I said get out from here. Go! I don't want to see you here again. Yes, I don't want to. I'll slap the hell out of you.
Hey! It's all right though. I don't.
Mama! Mama, what's going on? Huh? What kind of food is this? The Lord's wife visits us in this house.
What has Lot's wife got to do with the food I serve you?
Can you please explain to me why we have over a bag of salt in the food you served me?
What did you say? Bag of salt? How? How come?
Why don't you go test the meal?
I cannot do that. I have BP. I can't. The doctor said I should not be taking salt. So why should I go and test it? Okay, don't worry. Let me go to the kitchen and get you another one.
No, Mama. I'm going out, okay? I'll sort myself out. You help yourself out with the food. Thank you for the meal.
Yeah. Salt. Hey. Okay. Hey. Good one. Yeah. Wait. No problem. Ogoba, you will listen to me whether you like it or not. I have told you, you will listen to me whether you like it or not. You will wait and hear what I want to say. Yes. Because a child who says the mother will not sleep knows very well that he or she will keep vigil. You and your daughter have succeeded in convincing Desmond to eject me from this house. Okoya, let me let you know. That's pure failure. Yes!
Now listen, you demonic spirit. You have no place in this house. So get it into that your...
Hey, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Let us wait and see. You're going away. Don't go away, wait. We shall see.
Kai white. Since when mama acquired this house, my dad sit down boy to me like that. Hungry, then tie young well, he then tear down. My wife said they do 3 hours. Anytime my wife said do 3 hours, I say I'm hungry. I need to sell better food they get. Kai, my belly say we're going to do 3 hours. And the later when you see I'm hungry, they kiss me. And you hungry, don't kiss me. I no go get straight into pussy gate for. Even doing to perceive food, I need to perceive anything. Even my neighbors where they cook rice and spaghetti, I need to perceive anything for. Okay, I no get strength to pussy gate. I no get strength to pussy gate for. Will I say I will travel go house? No, if I go village, I will go in the pussy I am going down. No. These people they will carry me through bones. I know when die, make a idea, make hungry kill me. And this is so much I think it will sense for. I see how I could do. Okay.
My money has finished.
Dubai money. Dubai money. Dubai money.
I cannot
I can already perceive the aroma. You will never cease to be an amazing chef.
Don't make me remember that. When I used to be a cook in one of the 5-star hotels. In those days.
Oh.
In days.
Oh, Papa.
Enjoy your meal there.
Papa the Papa, thank you.
Yes. What's that?
How come this food is testing kerosene?
No. What? Is there kerosene in this house?
We don't cook with stove.
So how could it?
Have a taste. Yes.
How many? How did you go?
There way.
That is
Kerosene.
Okumba! So you are not informed, eh? You are not informed.
Informed about what?
Don't worry. Okumba 1. Ugochi. Ato.
I don't understand. That means she did. Mama. Papa. How can you both be so wicked and heartless at the same time? You don't challenge each other by destroying all the food in this house and serving us poison. Why?
I'm sorry, husband of mine, you brought this upon yourself. And it's getting hotter. So why don't you keep quiet and enjoy it, baby? Enjoy it.
I wasn't talking to you, madam. So
Oh.
shut up.
Oh, I'm sorry, I wasn't answering you, Oga. I'm keeping quiet already.
Mama,
Papa.
your services in this house is no longer needed. Thank you for your time. Alright? First thing tomorrow morning, I am taking you to the park. Same applies to you, Papa. You're both going back to the village. You can as well kill yourselves there. I don't care.
You dare ever hold it there, keep it. Hold it there. Don't say it more. And listen, I don't like the way you're talking to me. That temper you're using. You better calm down. I don't like it because you might say something that you will regret sooner or later. What is it?
Hey, please. Don't you ever talk to my husband like that, you this uncouth woman.
That's enough. That's enough. You two are going back to the village. First thing tomorrow morning. I am sure I made myself clear.
I am not moving an inch. Yeah, caterpillar. I'm on the chair.
Go to you lie.
I'm not going anywhere.
If you don't want to go to the village alive, they will carry your corpse to the village.
You don't know what you're saying. I am going nowhere.
I'm not surprised. I am not surprised at all because you're nothing close to a mother figure. And you, look at the way she's speaking to you with so much disregard. What impudence? What temerity? It's a gods for me. And she's talking to you anyhow just because of how you opened yourself for her and you can't even do anything about it. I can't even be seated here listening to this nonsense.
I am not moving. Get ready.
See, you have disgraced yourself.
Don't be trying me.
You see, you have disgraced yourself.
Obama will deal with you. You see yourself?
You see, you have disgraced
You
yourself.
are disgracing yourself too.
Everywhere you go, you see.
Yeah, sit down. Sit back, boy.
You see yourself. You disgrace
Sit back,
yourself.
boy. Come and move me away from here. Let me see you.
I'm sure you remember this. So many years ago, I came to my mother and asked her that I needed to go back to school. She should give me stuff to return back to school with. And my mother looked me in the face and said to me that it was not her responsibility to cater for me. And then threw this at me. I'm sure you remember it. You threw this biro at me and said I should go to my father. You used that word, my useless father. That he should be the one to take care of me, that you're not responsible for it. You might have forgotten, but I can never forget that day. I kept the spiral for you, mother of mine. Now that you have come to my house, I want you to know that the only thing you can get from me, that's from a daughter to a mother, is the same biro you gave me many years ago.
What is it? Why are you sounding this way? What is it?
Honestly, resettling down here in the village was a wrong idea.
Why saying that?
I strongly believe there are better opportunities in the city than here in the village. Honestly, I'm not regretting why I accepted to follow you down here. Ogun, I think we should have a rethink.
See, your business is doing fine in this village. You're already established. You're already established. So why giving this idea of going back to the city?
It could be more finer in the city than here in the village. Ogun, please. Or we can still move down to the south, or even southwest to reside.
Can you stop this? Please, don't say this again. I don't want it. Please. How sure are you that moving down to southeast or south will be better? How sure are you? Please, I don't want to hear this. Better stop it.
I don't want to hear anything you're saying now. All I want is for us to go back to the city. Period.
Have you seriously asked your wife why she suddenly wants you people to leave this village?
Mbakwe. She insisted. My wife insisted we must leave this village. Yes.
It's not like that. You have stayed in the city for too long. And it's very important that as the first son of your father, you come down to this village and be able to take care of things. Your father has a lot of property. You come down and take care of your father's property before the enemy hijack them all. I know why I'm saying this. Stand your ground as a man, Ugumba. Stand your ground as a man.
Mbakwe, I'm here to stay. I'm here to take care of my father's property.
Now you're talking.
I go nowhere.
Now you're talking. Now you're talking as the friend I know. Come, let me show you your other properties and your other land and everything. Come on.
Okay, let's go. I have told you I go nowhere. I will never ever leave my father's...
Ugomba!
See, Ugochi, it's high time you understood that I, Ugumba, will never ever leave my father's compound.
Oh, I can see! That useless and senseless friend of yours has bombarded you to stay in this village. Ugomba! If only you can see! I pray you realize on time
I don't care, Ugochi. I don't care because I know you hate my friend too well. I know you hate him. I know. But Ugochi, I will disappoint you this time. See, your problem here is that you think my friend Mbakwe is introducing me to Manaizi, right?
Of course he did.
No, you're wrong. You're wrong. Stop it. In fact, you need to change your mindset. Reset your mindset. Because you're far from the truth. Serious.
Ugumba, a snake does not display how dangerous it is until it stings. Ugumba, a word is enough for the wise. A word is enough for the wise.
Ugochi, I don't care. Whatever you want to say, you're free. But I will not leave this village. I promise you that.
Yes, Ugumba, my friend. Please come to the backyard.
Please. I'm not happy. And I want you to follow me to Okoro's house now.
What is the problem? You look so furious. What is the problem?
Mbakwe, do you know that fool has been disturbing my wife? Telling my wife to leave me, that I'm not man enough. I cannot take care of her. I don't have money. Is that nice?
Okoro should not utter such a disgusting word. This is very responsible of him.
My brother, my problem here now is this is not the first, it's not the second, it's not even the third. Now I know the reason my wife has been saying, let's leave this village. I want to leave this village. I don't want to stay here. See, that idiot, I must deal with him today.
My friend, don't worry. I must go with you. And after teaching him some serious lessons, we will report him to the Council of Elders.
We don't need to be wasting time. That idiot will leave. I'm coming. Let's prepare and come out. Let's leave here, please.
Just let's go. Let's go.
I cannot tell why she made such a terrible decision in a short notice. I thought she loved me. From demanding we should go to the city to invest, to leaving me for Okoro. She did not even consider our little baby Mirabel. My daughter Mirabel, you are still very young to understand.
Like I said, taking care of this little child is not my problem. Just that I don't want your ex-wife feeling or thinking otherwise.
My dear, she will not. She will not. I told you she will not. See, all I need now is for you to help me and take care of this child. Please, you know I'm a man, I cannot. I need to go there and look for a job so that I can take care of this child and myself. Please.
This is very strange. Ugochi, my very good friend, to conceive such evil plan of marrying Okoro without even telling me. Anyway, she knew I wouldn't consent to it.
Please, thank you for accepting to take care of my child. God bless you.
No problem.
Thank you. I think I need to go and look for a job. Please, my regards to your husband when he comes back.
No problem.
Thank you.
Have a nice
God bless.
Thank you.
You left a scar in my heart. And that scar always reminds me of how cruel of a mother you are. You are so mean. You are heartless. You have no blood flowing in your veins. If not because of Papa Kene and the wife, the villagers would have lynched us that fateful day. All because of you! All because of you.
Woman, leave me alone. I've told you, stay away from me. What have I done to this man? You stupid man, leave me alone. I'm not fear. Useless thing. You don't have sense. I know it. I knew it from the starting. You're not responsible.
Ugochi, I am. Huh? Ugochi, please now.
Look at this man. Why are you following me up and down? What is your problem?
Please, man, please, Ugon, please. Eh? Please now. Ugon, please. We need you back. We still want you.
I don't need you in my life again. Leave me. Let me go to Okoro. Leave me alone. That is why I left you. You don't have sense. Eat the senseless smoking.
I have
Leave
sense.
me. You don't have.
I do.
You don't have.
Please now. Ugon, please now. Please. Please. Get your child now. For the sake of your child, please come back.
Gumba, which child? Which child? I'm not seeing any child here. Gumba, leave me alone. I won't say it again. Leave me alone. Stay away from me. Don't touch me again. Don't even try it. Don't touch me again. Please. Gumba, leave me alone. You dare lay your filthy hands on my body.
Please.
If you try it again, I am going to scream. And believe me, you will not like the outcome of it. Try me.
You.
Thief! Onyaro! See! Thief! Thief! Help me! Thief! 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 Onyoshi! Help!
Do I still go ahead and forgive you of all your terrible sins? Or should I rather wait upon the Lord to do so?
No way. You do not deserve to spend another second under my roof. You're a devil in human form. I heard everything she said. And your sins are unpardonable. Now I want you to go upstairs, take everything that belongs to you and get the hell out of my house. Else, I will lynch you just like the mobs almost did my wife.
Please. The devil is doing overtime here. You don't understand. Yes, you don't understand. What is happening here now is a surprise. I don't even know.
Get out now! Now!
I cannot explain it, cause no one will understand. I don't know where to start, cause we had an ugly past. I can still accept her. I have rejected her, and I will not forgive her. I will never do it. It's me against my mother. My mother. It's me against my mother. I will
What is it, Ugochi? Huh? Leave my cloth, leave my cloth.
Give me my money.
Why are you holding me like this?
It is time to do check and balance. So give me my money.
Amadion has struck you to death.
Do not curse me. Don't lay curses on me, oh. I have sent you over 500,000 naira. Are you aware that your daughter has been caught? I'm asking you, are you aware? Give me my money.
Then come and take it. Yes, if you feel you are a real woman, come and take it. Leave me.
I should leave you to where so that you can fly. You're not going anywhere. Give me my money. Okoro, give me my money. You are a wicked man. You are a wicked man. Your daughter was caught stealing a jewel box. I sent lots of money to you. Okoro, you don't even care. Let me have my money.
I said leave me.
Give me my money.
If you leave me, I will give you.
You will give me.
I will
you,
give you.
That I know. Give me my money before people begin to
Give me now. I will leave me. I will give you.
Okoro, they will soon look for you because I will use you for ritual.
Use me for
Yes. I will sell you out for ritual.
You are overshooting your bound.
Okay.
This small sunbird is challenging his God, his maker, for a duel.
Okoro, I will sell you to Malam. I will even sell you to buy on them. Give me my money.
In that case, go to Lagos. Go back there, charge them of all the job you did for them. A laborer is worthy of his wages. In this case, her wages. Go back to Lagos.
Okoro, what kind of a man are you?
You are husband.
What kind of a human being are you?
You are husband.
Okoro, you don't even care about your child. Give me my money.
Leave me, oh.
Give me my money. Okoro, give me my money, oh. I know you will not even bring good money, but at least give me my money.
A thief like you, like mother, like daughter. Go and bail her now. As for me, I don't have a dime. Sheshe, anything like you talk. Eh?
Okoro, I will use you for ritual.
Me?
Hey, Okoro, give me my money.
I said leave me. Leave me one.
No.
Leave me two.
I'm not leaving you.
Remember, I'm a bulldozer.
Then who do you want to bulldoze?
No woman, no cry.
Okoro, give me money. Don't touch me. Okoro, don't.
Look, breaking the oath could lead to death. I mean, Stone Goddess is one of the deadliest deities in our kingdom. Man, this is serious.
A lot has been swept under the carpet. I mean, women are the most secretive creatures on planet Earth. I can't believe my wife took an oath never to forgive her own mother. Who does that?
You know, Desmond, at some point, I can't blame your wife. Yes, that's the truth. Because that woman really brought out the beast in her. And she's lucky your wife didn't silence her for life.
This is crazy.
Really crazy. Really, really crazy.
The Bible made us to understand that devil is the chief of all liars. He has lied to you that you will die if you break free from his enchantment. But I'm here as a servant of God to tell you that you will live to possess your possession. And you must live in the land of the living. Amen. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Shall we pray? In the name of the Father,
and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Father, Lord, I present this family into your able hands. Take charge over this family. Any evil spirit fighting against this family, by the authority of the Holy Ghost, I lose your evil holds in the name of Jesus. I come against any power of darkness fighting against this family, fighting against this household. By the authority given to me by the Almighty, I stand against any evil altar plotted against this family. I destroy them by the thunder of the Holy Ghost in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
I decree peace. In the name of God the Father, God the Son, God the Holy Ghost. While I was praying, the Lord ministered to me that He has taken over the case of your ex-wife. So I'll advise you all to run to the village and forgive her, because she has been set free from the evil plotted against her. She has been set free from the pit of hell, from the darkness that covered her all this while. So I urge you all to please run to the village and make peace.
I cannot explain.
Chai. This guy, you will never change. Eloka. My best in-law. My best in-law.
You can say that again.
I'm happy. I'm very happy. Look at you.
So how have you been doing?
I've been fine now. I've been here. Nothing much, just doing my normal Almaco job. Once it comes, I go out and hustle.
Well,
but look at my sister. See how she's glowing, all because of you.
It's a lot's doing.
In a more of a
It's a lot's doing.
We'll start in a more of
Well, Obina.
Yes.
You see, we came to thank you for hosting us and with your support after our marriage.
My brother.
And my wife and I have come to return the kind gesture. Honey, I want to tell you.
Obina, my brother.
What is going on? Wait. You're already pregnant, I know.
Yeah.
And for the hosting, oh boy, normal thing. It's a normal thing now.
Allow her to tell you.
Okay, I'm all ears. Tell me, what is the surprise?
Yes, it's a surprise.
I'm all ears.
Okay, honey, should I go ahead?
Go ahead. That's why we're here.
Obina, my brother.
My sister, Nena.
Your visa to Canada is ready. Yeah, your dream country.
It's a lie.
That's the truth.
Wait.
The agent called me this morning and asked me to come and pick it up, or he will be to me tomorrow.
What are you saying?
So you have it tomorrow.
Hey! So now I have visa to Canada, my dream country. Bad boy. Bad boy. Thank you so much.
Of course,
I'm overwhelmed with joy. I don't even know how to start. But I know that there is a reason God made us to be friends. You understand? Even if you're a stubborn boy.
I know, because you forgive me all my atrocities and then give me your beautiful sister. And today, God has blessed me with her.
It's good. It's good to be good.
Thank you, my friend.
I'm saying that you must live here. Stop begging me. No longer begging.
Please.
I have to leave my leg. I will kick you. I will kick you. Listen to me. The bottom line is that you have nothing to offer anymore. Leave my house. Please. I don't want you anymore. Leave. Go.
Why are you doing this to me?
Why I'm doing it to you?
I beg you. Okay, if the money, have it. Take all the money, just take it.
This is my house. You are telling me why I'm doing. You don't even have any more money. You don't have any money anymore. I said live here. The worst part is that you have even driven our daughter to prison. I don't want you here again. Leave this place. I said leave.
No, please, I beg you. Don't send me, baby.
You are still waiting. Leave this place.
I beg you, please.
I will bulldoze you and this back.
I beg you, please.
Aggie, baby. Let me go. Hi, you would have told me you are on the way. Why should you carry this thing while I'm alive? For your information, this is Agnes, my new wife. Your time here is overspent. Live here.
Yes, Agnes. I am not the wife. I am not the wife.
My friend,
how did you do this to me?
Okoromi is taken. I'm the new wife.
Yes, overtaking is allowed.
Go and die. Let's go. Okoromi.
Yes, honey.
Okoro, you have failed your vow. How dare you allow your manhood to control and think for you? Your time has come.
Eyes of the gods, please. Please don't go. Come on. Come, let us arrange it. Come, I will do anything.
Yeah. Okoro,
my chest.
Okoro,
I can't move.
How? It is like I'm but Okoro, what is it now? What is it? Okoro,
my chest.
Your chest. What is wrong with your chest? What? Okoro, get your. Okoro,
my chest.
Yeah! Are you standing there? Okoro, hey! Okoro, hey! Okoro! What am I doing? Yeah? Hey! Ugomba! Hey! Ugomba! What was I doing in Okoro's house? I watched it. Ugomba! Nkachi! Mirabe! Nkachi! Oh! I'm finished. Hello! Hey! Nkachi, my friend! Hey! I don't know what's happening to me. I went to the house. I cannot find Mimi. I cannot find Ugomba. Where are they? Are they here? Are they in your house? Nkechi, why are you looking at me like this?
Wait, if I get you correctly, you just called me Nkechi, your dear friend. And you also called Ugomba your husband. Mimi, your daughter. Ugochi, what happened to you?
Nkechi, I don't know. I cannot explain anything. I don't know. I just find myself in Okoro's house. That's all. And as I'm talking to you now, Okoro is lying down there dead.
You have killed him.
No. I did not. Agnes is my witness. Agnes witnessed everything. I did not kill Okoro. True.
Chimo.
Honestly, I did not kill Okoro. No. Because you don't look at me like that now. I did not kill Okoro.
This is unbelievable. Wait. You did not kill Okoro.
Man, I did not kill Okoro. Agnes was there. Agnes witnessed everything.
And you're here asking for your family?
Yes, I'm looking for Ugomba.
Are you telling me that Mazi Okoro used charm on you? No, tell me. Are you telling me that all these years you've been living with him, it was the charm he used on you that made you stay with him?
What are you saying?
Yes!
Charm. For what?
Hey! Chimo! Hey! Ugochi, is this you? Hey! Why would Okoro do that? Hey!
Nkechi, tell me this is not true.
It's true. He casted a spell on you, my dear friend.
It's not your fault. Hey, Okoro. Okoro, my God will punish you. Okoro, my God will punish you. Okoro, you will die, Okoro. It's okay. You will reunite with your family today. They called that they're on their way to the village. Hi, Jim. I'm sorry, forgive me. Please forgive me, please.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Please forgive me. I was the one that placed the money in the bag.
What money are you talking about? I'm sorry, please. I beg you, forgive me, my child. I beg you. I beg you, my child, please. I beg you. I beg you, please. I beg you. Forgive me. I'm sorry, I beg you.
Hey, this fire is too much. Hey, fire! 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 Hey, this fire is too much.
What fire? Where is the fire?
Fire! Yes!
Where's the fire now?
What is going on? Yes, I'll confess.
Confess what now?
What are you confessing?
I'll confess. Oh, fire! Yes, so that the fire will reduce. I'll confess. Bakwe, I am the one. I am the cause. Yes, responsible for the separation of your family. Hey, fire!
What did you say?
Hey! Hey! David, are you? Goodness. Let the fire come down small. Let the fire come down small. Please. Yes, I wanted his wife badly, but she refused. Yeah, fire. Reduce the fire small. So she refused. Because of that, she asked Umbakwe and said, you people should leave this village. All is because of me. But she never told you. Yes. But I wasn't alone. No. Okoro is with me. It was two of us that planned it. Yes, so Okoro. Yes. Fire.
You did all this.
Okoro is there. Hey, fire.
How long will I continue to beg you to accept my proposal in this village? Eh? I've tried everything humanly possible to make you see how much I love and want you. Eh? You're a very beautiful woman, Ugochi. Eh? All I'm asking for is just give me a chance. I'm going to give you everything you want in this village, Ugochi. Eh? Just think about this.
Mbakwe, it is now very clear to me that you are a stupid man. Yes. It baffles me on how you will not allow me to rest in this village. Mbakwe, what have I done to you? What have I done to you? Is it that you cannot control this little thing between your two legs? Mbakwe, leave me alone. Hapumaka Biko, leave me.
Ugochi, calm down. Eh? Calm down. It's because, like I've told you this several times, it's because you're not paying attention.
Mbakwe, you're a madman.
Ugochi, look into my eyes and tell me what you see, Ugochi. You see love, Ugochi, I'm begging you. Just calm down.
Mbakwe, the only thing I see is stupidity. It's stupidity, Mbakwe. That is what is in your eyes. Have you forgotten that I'm your best friend's wife?
Some best friend.
Mbakwe, leave me alone in this village. I beg you in the name of God. Hapumaka. Mara Mabagi. Leave me alone.
Ugochi, it's not as easy as you think, oh. It's not really as easy as you think. I have dreamt about this. I have wished for this. I have hoped for this. All I'm asking for just a little chance, Ugochi. Is it too much to ask?
I will report you to my husband. And not just my husband, to your wife too. Yes.
Nah, I'll call.
Mbakwe, no, yeah, no, now, come. You want to enter. Come now. Are you running? Now. Eh? Mbakwe. Mbakwe. Stupid and useless man.
Mbakwe, Ogumba, did you see how he was begging the elders today? That you will not go close to my wife again.
Yes, so I saw it.
But I told you.
I saw it. The sweetest part is the fact they find him. Of course. And he must surely pay that fine, oh.
Yes.
He must surely pay the fine.
He will.
He must.
He will. See, next time, you will learn not how to go close to people's wife again.
Exactly. I hope all is well, oh.
Yes, all is well. It's just that, when she didn't have much sales in the market, she was always angry. So I think that's the problem.
Wumba, what I'm seeing here doesn't look like a low sell anger. Oh.
My friend,
She didn't even notice us.
Are you liking my wife now? Leave my wife alone. Eh? Let's continue with what we were saying. Coach, where are you going with your bags?
I'm going to my new home.
Which new home? Ugochi, which new home? Eh?
I'm going to meet Okoro, my husband.
Hi. Ugochi, you must be very stupid. Ugochi, you are stupid. See, go back to that house. Ugochi, go back.
Ugumba, you dare open that thing you call a mat to call me stupid? Don't even try it. I won't take it from you again. Useless thing.
Ugochi, what is your problem?
Oh God.
Ugochi, what is your problem? What about your child?
Which child?
Ugochi, are you leaving your child? Eh?
Child. Oh! You mean that thing? That thing you call a child? And you? I don't need any of you in my life again. Don't worry. Okoro, my love. Okoro, my new husband, will return the dowry you paid. I don't want you in my life again. Wumba, I don't want you. Ah!
Ugochi, it's okay. Ugochi, please.
Don't touch me.
Okay, I am ready. Let me just get my bags. Let's move down to the city. Please, Ugochi, it's okay.
Wumba, stay away from me. Stay away from me.
Ugochi.
Ugumba, what is happening? What just happened in your house now? Ugumba, did your wife just leave your house to another man's house and you're not doing anything about it? I don't understand though. I don't understand. I'm not being amazing, Ugumba. I don't understand. And I'm not going to Zalana. See, go to Moso Pico.
Very stupid man.
Wait,
Stay away from me, you useless man. This man, in this village, you say you not allow me to drop this. Papa, can you leave me alone? What have I done to you in this village that you will not allow me to eat my food in peace? What is your problem, Bakwe?
Ugochi, please. Calm down. Let's settle this now, amicably.
Ugochi. Calm down. Calm down for what? Calm down as what now, eh? Allow me to rest in this village. Oh God, this man. Do you even realize I'm your best friend's wife? What is your problem? Oh, you're running. Now come. Come now. Useless man. Come. Useless thing. Oh, I don't know what is wrong with all these men in this village.
You see, stupid man, useless man, idiot. And who is this person?
It's nobody. It's nobody. Oh God, let's go home.
Wait, are you okay?
I'm okay. Let's go.
Please tell me that man that is disturbing you in this village. Who is it? Who is it?
Man.
Are you sure?
Let's go home, please.
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Come now. No, there's nobody there. Come. Biko, come. Let's just go home.
God, which type of thing is this? This is the girl I've been eyeing for a while now. Ugumba went and married her and took her to the city. And now they are back. She will not allow me to have her. It's not like my wife is not fine, no. But I only want to have a taste of Ugochi the beauty. But no problem. Since I can't have her, I will help Okoro take her. I will do everything possible to make sure that Okoro takes her away from him, even if it means going to a native doctor.
Don't die yet. You better don't die yet. Wait for me.
You did all these things. Why? Does it mean I'm not good enough for you?
Don't die yet, oh. Just wait.
I should forgive you.
Oh, this thing is too much. That's enough. I will kill you. I will kill you now. No. Fucking me. No. Please. Alright? Don't take those into your heart. Do not shoot. Please. Let me kill him.
Hey!
You don't have to.
Forgive me.
Alright? You don't have to.
But where you?
Sorry.
You!
Forgive me. You know we are friends.
Father, please forgive him. His sins are already haunting him. Please, just like my husband said, do not take the laws into your hands. Please.
He was my best friend. He was my best friend. Please forgive me too. Forgive me. You know we are friends.
It's okay, it's usually like that. The people close to us are the ones that hurt us the most. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
If all enjoy if I'm madumele, koya na to gwalni yo fumbasi yo. If I'm madumele, wapake mwenofe, tupo la kamado inugo. Ay yo. Oh mamado, wapaka nancho. Nja chokano. If I'm madumele. If onye metalo bulunana, okwa me okwa. For the saints that men do, but surely live with them. No wicked shall go unpunished, for the wages of sin is death. Okwa inano. Okwa ya mele, wepwa